What would you do to find a challenge cache? Would you rehike a trail that takes you 2 hours and 750 meters of constant uphill? Would you do that while conditions are still cold and icy? Would you be smarter than us? Would you believe that we did it? Well, it's a short episode if we didn't. So grab your trail spikes and join us for a Geocaching Challenge Adventure. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. It's the LANMonkeys. We are on a hike outside of Coquitlam, British Columbia. It's the trail up to Dennett Lake, and we are after a challenge cache that's called In Deference to Dennett. And the idea is that the challenge is that you need to have found 5 caches older than the Dennett Lake stash, which is one of the oldest caches in BC. So we have completed the challenge. So now we're going to go claim the challenge cache. So yeah, it's a big hike for one cache. All right, so let's go have a geocaching adventure. Not for the faint of heart, the 750 meters of elevation gain between the trailhead and Munro Lake will test your mettle and your willingness to endure the beautiful conditions of outdoor British Columbia. You will enjoy yourself, you will feel rewarded. Do not say we didn't warn you. Wow, all right, so we've done a lot of up. We're just under a kilometer. As the crow flies, probably just over a kilometer as the trail goes to Munro Lake, which is where our challenge cache is. So yeah, a little out of breath because it's quite the up, but doing what we can, making pretty good time overall, and definitely keeping the heart rate up. And there's the lake. Ooh, the lake's got some ice on it. There's the tree with the interesting curvature, right there. Deep, all right. So, and ta-da! Found some peanut butter. All right, not a lot of names on this one. We'll add ours to the bottom of the list. Well guys, there we go. Completed the adventure, made it up here, found that cache, showed you some footage. Beautiful, just the fresh ice on that lake. Wonderful place to hike up to. Got a challenge cache that fits a whole bunch of different things for us as well. So cool weekend find. We're gonna head our way back down. Thanks for joining us on this geocaching adventure, and hope that you cache safely and cache often. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at LANMonkeyGC. All right guys, have an awesome day. Who knows what monkey business we'll get up to next? Subscribe, like, and add your comments to our videos on YouTube so that you never miss an exciting geocaching adventure.